This article looks at the sheer impossibility that evolution could have created the cell. The very origin of life is impossible because of the sheer complexity that we see in the cell and what is required for a cell to function. I'm just going to quote 5 reasons that they give, just to give you a flavour of them. Firstly, there's a cell membrane, absolutely essential, incredibly complicated. Then the cell has to store information because that cell is going to have to reproduce a whole lot of machinery to function. And that machinery can only function if there's information in the cell to tell it how to create the machinery. Then the cell needs to be able to read the information that it has. Because information is no good. You can have a library of books, but unless someone can have the capacity to read the books, it's useless information. Then the fourth thing the cell needs to have, it has to have the capacity to manufacture all those machines that it has within the cell, because within the cell there are hundreds and thousands of machines that have to operate. So not only does it have the information, not only does it have to read the information, but now it has to have the machines to be able to carry out the instructions to make the other machines. And then it has to have the capacity to copy itself. It has to have the capacity to divide into 2 cells and replicate in each cell the same level of complexity that was in the original cell. This is staggering. It is incredible, and the more we study it, the more obvious this is not just design, it's brilliantly designed. And so the case for intelligent design, based just on the sheer mechanics of the cell and all that it has to do, is overwhelming. Well, thank you for listening.